Christy here, and today I'm going to give a quick review on this ZWILLING coffee grinder. This thing is great. It's been around for a few years, and it's such a luxury to have freshly ground coffee every morning. So at the top here, we have the compartment where you put the beans. Super easy, just take this cap on and off, and then you can pull it off using this latch. And then here you have your grinder setting. So right now, this is on if you're just like brewing a normal pot of coffee, but you can also twist it. Then you have like a middle setting, which is maybe if you're using a mocha pot. And then here you have your espresso. So basically it just goes from like 0 is really finely ground to 100 is more coarsely ground. And then here you have the on switch as well as the dial. So basically this indicates how much you want it to grind. 12 is what you would use to make just like a normal pot of coffee. It's about 12 cups that it'll make. And so for the sake of this, we're just gonna set it to 1. And that's it. Then you just pull it off and you can pour it into your coffee maker. And lastly, we have this little extra feature. We have this brush. So if you want to clean this up a little bit, you can use that.